History of Odisha. Since its earliest known history, the land that roughly corresponds to present day Odisha has gone by various names, most notably Utkala or Okala, Kalinga, and Udradesha or Odaka, which appeared in ancient literature as designations for particular tribes. The ancient Greeks knew the latter two groups as Kalingai and Oret. Those names eventually became identified with specific territories at the dawn of Indian history. Kalinga was already a famous and formidable political power, but Buddhist sources refer to the rule of King Brahmadatta in Kalinga at the time of the Buddha's death, sometime between the 6th and the 4th century BCE. In the 4th century BCE, the first Indian empire builder Mahapadmananda, founder of the Nanda dynasty, conquered Kalinga, but the Nanda rule was short lived. In 260 BCE, the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka invaded Kalinga and fought one of the greatest wars of ancient history. He then renounced war, became a Buddhist, and preached peace and non-violence in and outside India. In the 1st century BC, the Kalinga Emperor Kharavela conquered vast territories that collectively came to be called the Kalinga Empire. History of Maharashtra. The name Maharashtra, denoting the western upland of the Deccan Plateau, first appeared in a 7th century inscription and in the account of Zhuangzang, a Chinese traveler at that time. According to one interpretation, that name derives from the word Marathi, which refers to a skillful northern fighting force that migrated southward into the area. The group's language intermingled with the speech of the earlier Naga settlers, became Maharashtri, which by the 8th century had developed into Marathi. There was also a continuous influx of people from remote Greece and Central Asia during the early period. The territory constituting the present-day state of Maharashtra was divided between several Hindu kingdoms: Satavahana, Vakataka, Kalakuri, Rashtrakuta, Chalakyu, and Yadava. A succession of Muslim dynasty ruled after 1307. Persian, the court language of the Muslim, had a far-reaching effect on the Marathi language. A succession of Muslim dynasty ruled after 1307. Persian, the court language of the Muslim, had a far-reaching effect on